How to fix NGL not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix NGL not working. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, let's move forward to the method number one, that is to check your internet connection. So first thing first, Angel needs a stable internet connection. So here you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and you can even turn airplane mode on, wait for 10 seconds and then turn it off. And once you're done with that, you can try opening the Angel again. And with that, moving forward to the method number two, that is to force close and reopen the NGL. So sometimes the app just glitches. So here what you can do is just close the NGL app completely, and after that you can simply long press on the NGL app icon, and after that on the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info, and once you tap on it you'll be prompted to the NGL app settings page. Now here at the bottom left corner you can see the option labeled as force stop. So simply tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you're done with that, you can simply close the app settings, and after that you can simply open the Angel app again. And with that, moving forward to the method number three, that is to clear the Angel cache. So corrupted cache is a common reason for Angel not working properly. So here what you can do is just again tap and hold on the Angel app icon, and on the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here once you're inside the app settings, just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And with that, moving forward to the method number four, that is to update the Angel app. So an outdated app can cause the app to stop working. So here what you can do is just open the Play Store, and here once you're inside you can simply search for the Angel app, and there you can check for the update button. And with that, if you find any update button available, then you can just tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the method number five, that is to check the Instagram connection. So NGL works closely with Instagram. So here what you can do is just open the Instagram app, and now here once you're inside the Instagram app, make sure that you're logged in with your account correctly. And once you're done checking that, what you can do is just open the Angel app again and reconnect your Instagram account if asked. And with that, moving forward to the method 6, that is to log out and log back in. So what you can do is just open NGL, and after that you can just go to the settings and log out from there and restart your phone, and after that you can simply log in again. And that's it. By trying all this method, I hope you can fix the Angel app not working on your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.